Good morning, doctor. How are you?
Good morning, I'm doing well. What can I help you with today?
I've been feeling really tired lately and I have a persistent headache.
I see. Have you been getting enough sleep and drinking enough water?
Yes, I have been, but it doesn't seem to be helping.
Okay, I'd like to do a physical examination and some blood work to see if there are any underlying issues.
Okay, that sounds good to me.
Great. Let's schedule a time for that and then we can discuss the results together.
Sure, that works for me.
In the meantime, I recommend getting some rest and taking it easy if possible.
Okay, thank you for your help, doctor.
You're welcome. It's important to take care of your health, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further concerns.
Actually, there is one more thing. I've been experiencing some chest pains.
Oh, that's definitely something we need to investigate further. Let's schedule some additional tests and get to the bottom of this.
I appreciate your help, doctor.
Of course, that's what I'm here for. It's important to catch these things early.
I'm just worried it might be something serious.
I understand your concern, but let's not jump to any conclusions until we have all the information.
Okay, thank you for your reassurance.
No problem. I'm here to support you in any way I can. Let's work together to find a solution.